In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to attach the hand strap to the PT-E560BT, which offers a lot more support and comfort when using the device on site. Before we begin, just make sure you have everything you need. So, you should have the strap with the metal ring on one end, 2 plastic buckles, and 2 clips. So, first off, we're going to take the strap and thread it through the bottom hook as far as it'll go, like so. Next, we're going to take one of the plastic buckles, pull the strap through from underneath and take it all the way down to the bottom. And then thread it back through like so. Then we're going to take the second buckle, pull the strap through from underneath and take it about 2/3 down the length of the strap. Then thread it back through like so. Feed it underneath the second hook at the top of the machine and loop it back round. Then you want to push the strap back through the same buckle in the opposite direction before pulling it tight. Then you want to do the same with the other end of the strap. Feed it through the buckle in the opposite direction and pull tight. Now we want to take one of the plastic clips, like so. Feed the shorter part of the strap into the top section, and then the main part of the strap into the bottom section of the clip. Then press the clip together to fix into position. Now we're going to do the exact same with the longer part of the strap. Clip together, and there we have it. Makes it nice and secure in your hand whilst operating the machine on site.